How to create a subdomain in cPanel. Now this can only be done when you bought a domain and then you point all the name server to cPanel, right? With this method, then you can create a subdomain. I'm using name hero for this. So you can see the cPanel here. If you want to get a hosting, name hero is quite a good hosting. You can get it in the description box below. Okay, so now let's get back to this. So for subdomains, you have to scroll all the way down, look for domains. Then you can see here subdomains. Just click on it. And then you can see which domain that you want to use to create a subdomain. So subdomain, just to refresh, is the word or whatever character you want to put before your main domain. Let me show you what it is. So for example, as you can see here is fico.kenangwk.com. So the domain name is kenangwk.com and the subdomain is fico, not the one at the back. This is at the front. So I want to create a subdomain. So let me just, for example, miss. All right, then I find the domain, which domain that I want to use as subdomain. So I just choose a domain that I want, which is kenangwk.com. Click on it, and then you can see the document root here. So next, you just have to click on create. And you can see the mis.kenangwk.com has been created. And then you click go back, and you should be able to see here the mis.kenangwk.com. So that's how easily you can create a subdomain inside cPanel. You can install the WordPress inside the cPanel as well. And I have a video on how to do that. Okay, if you like what I share, give me a like and subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. Thank you so much, and I see you in my next video. Goodbye.